this review video of AI Millionaire. So in this video specifically, I am going to focus in on the bonuses that you get inside the members area. So no matter who you purchase the AI Millionaire from, right, these are the bonuses that everyone gets inside the members area. And so as you can see here on the left-hand side, at the bottom there are the bonuses, right? So these are the bonuses that are mentioned on the sales page. And so I'm just going to go over these briefly, just so maybe you have an idea of what these bonuses are. Obviously, everyone gets these, and then depending on who you purchase through, if you decide to get AI Millionaire, you will get other bonuses. And for the bonuses that I'm offering, the link is down below this video in the description. I'll take you to my bonus page. I did another video that you can check out, a whole review of the whole system and all the bonuses, which is, you'll see that at the end of this video. So, but let's just get started and jump in here. So you can see that there is the AI traffic machine, okay? And as with all the sections, there's always a video, maybe just a short intro video, okay? And then you can see that you get to download done for you emails, download done for you social posts, and download done for you video scripts. Okay, so these are all done for you. So basically, all you have to do is download it, copy and paste it, and really just put in a few things. Like if you're going to use the email to promote something, put in the link for what you're promoting, put in your name, and you're done. So there's about 5, I think, emails, 5, I think, social posts, and there's 5 video scripts. Okay. And with the video scripts, you've got 2 options. You either can put yourself on camera, or you can take the script and get a faceless video that you can create, or you can generate using AI and getting a tool for that. So AI Millionaire doesn't actually create the videos for you, it creates the scripts for you. So you will have to use a different tool if you don't want to do your own videos. Just a key point on that one. Okay, so the next one you get is AI Millionaire Playbook. All right, so again, very short intro video. And this is another document. You download it. Basically, it is just how to actually use AI Millionaire to the best, right, and get the most out of it. Michael created this, so he's put it, how to use it best. And basically, that is what the playbook is, right? How to use this program, this tool, right? The next one is the live handover session. So this will be a live session. You register for it. That's happening Sunday, September 1st. So it'll be after the launch ends. Okay. After the launch, you can still purchase this product, but the price will go up, right? So right now it's $9.95 when it launches and then it will go up to, I think it's $47 or something like that. All right, next one is the Millionaire cloning system. So this one's an actual video to watch. It's a 25-minute video. All right, about essentially, as you can guess, cloning, right, the system. So you can watch that, or you can get the transcript. You can download it, or just listen to it, whatever you prefer. Automated customer service. So contact the customer support team, available 24/7. Millionaire activation codes. So another short intro video, and then there is another document you download, the activation codes, and another document just to essentially, again, help you with things to do and things not to do. Okay. And then the easy payment processing system, another quick short video on that. And then the last one is the true story, and it's another video. Little guy escapes 9-to-5 hell. All right, so a 14-minute video from Michael himself. All right, and his journey. So those are the bonuses that you get when you purchase AI Millionaire. They're inside the members area. Everyone gets these bonuses. So like I said, down in the descriptions below, you will find a link to the bonus page that I have and the bonuses that I am offering. So you can check that out if you're interested. Okay, and hopefully this video was helpful for you to understand the bonuses that you'll get inside the members area of AI Millionaire. Best of luck.